Janet Frazer, and I did my presentation on the data collection for the SHRP 2 naturalistic driving study, which is a national program attempting to get 3,500 person years of driving, so about 15,000 miles to the year of driving, to get a better understanding of how people drive naturally, how people drive when they're just by themselves driving down the highway. And we do this by instrumenting people's vehicles with cameras, with radar, and with other devices that can capture both pictures of them, the environment around them, and capture information from their vehicle. Many of these items of data are collected already by the vehicle. They are things like speed, acceleration, braking, and the forces acting upon the vehicle. And then to supplement this, we collect data about each of the individuals that participate in the study. We collect information about their medical history, about the types of driving they've had experience with, their driving knowledge. We perform vision tests and other assessments that relate to driving, things like perception and reaction and grip strength. And then if there are any events, or if there's any type of driving phenomena that is of interest in the data set, we also have that added dimension of knowing something about that person, as opposed to just saying, oh, well, look, it seems like there was a crash. Well, now we can say, there was this crash. It looks like it was subject number 10. Let's go see the results of subject number 10's assessments. Let's see how they did on their vision. Let's see how they did with perception and reaction time. And overall, the main product of this massive undertaking is just a very large data set that is representative of all of the driving done in the United States. And that's why State College is one of 6 sites in the country that's being used for this. Other sites are in Seattle, representing the West Coast, Florida, and North Carolina to look at the South. But what sets State College apart is that it's the only site looking at rural areas. And rural 2-lane crashes are seen to be some of the most severe and are unusually high in their representation in the data set. So it is really important to have some information from rural areas. And that's what sets us apart, and that's our component of an enormous safety program that is being sponsored by the U.S. Department of Transportation and authorized by the U.S. Senate.